Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, let us learn one more important option, that is password policy. So whenever you're creating password for IAM user, there is a policy which restricts the password must contain certain things, right? Yeah, these many characters, uppercase, these many characters, lowercase, the password must be this length. Like this, there are many rules, right? Many restrictions, right? Yes. If you provide those, if you accept all those, that means if your password accepting all those, then only your password will be accepted, right? Yes. So how can I change or modify these policy rules? By using password policy. This password policy is used to modify the rules for password of a IAM user. You can able to set the rules of password for IAM user. You can able to, by using this, you can able to set the, you can able to set the rules of password, right? By using policy. So you can able to set the rules. You can able to set the rules of password that you want to create for your user by using this password policy. So I hope you understood what is this password policy. Thanks for watching. If you feel this video is contentful, then please like, share, subscribe, and the bell icon to get the latest updates. See you back in the next video. Until then, bye bye. Thanks for watching again.